I'm going to go ahead and get you over to Chief Meteorologist Tony Mainolfi. Tony, what's the latest here?
Yeah, so we're getting information on an hourly basis right now. The pressure just dropped another 3 millibars, and the winds are now up to 130. So that makes this a Category 4 hurricane. And the thing that's very interesting to me is that look at the magenta right there. Those are the taller thunderheads. Those are the colder cloud tops, and that's the first time that we've seen that. So this storm is actually not weakening. It's intensifying and moving up towards the north-northeast and accelerating at about 23 miles an hour. So there's a chance that this is going to get even stronger. Remember, it's going to be over water now for about another 4.5 to 5 hours. These waters are very, very warm. And it looks like it's going to be on the right side of that cone. There's the estimated time of arrival and distance now to landfall. 137 miles, 5 hours from now. It should be making landfall, which would put it right at about 11:30 tonight. Now, the thing that's very concerning to me, Cam and Marquise, big band of thunderstorms now coming up from the north. So literally at any moment it is possible that we could ping a tornado warning here into Sumter County. We do have tornado warnings down here east of Sarasota. There's a little bit of rotation between Ruskin and Tampa. This is all building up towards the north, so we're going to be watching this very, very carefully. For our friends here in Western Marion, Sumter, and on into northwestern Polk, you need to be very, very diligent now with your weather radio there to make sure you've got it on. This is our local radar. Big cluster of storms there on the eastern side. Still watching down to the south. The metro areas are okay. It's north and west, though, up towards Interstate 75 that things are starting to get a bit more interesting, and this is already building up towards Citra, Ocala, and Williston. Cam, that's where I think that the biggest wind and rain and the threat for severe weather is going to be as we get deeper into the evening.
I 100% agree with you, Tony. So with it strengthening to a Cat 4, it's no surprise we're starting to see where those winds really ramp up and will continue to strengthen and increase in intensity as we go through the evening. Here's a look at some of the peak wind gusts just so far within the last 1 to 2 hours. Silver Lake, that's near Leesburg, 54-mile-per-hour wind gusts there. Orlando International, 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Daytona Beach Shores, 48. Melbourne picked up a little over 45, and Marineland, that's actually supposed to be 40 there, not 70 miles per hour. Moving ahead, we are expecting those winds to keep on picking up. As we take a look at those recent wind gusts, we are looking at wind gusts around 51 miles per hour here in some areas. We're talking about winds around 60 miles per hour occasionally at the coast. And as we take a look at your tornado watch for tonight, we are expecting most of Central Florida to be under that tornado watch. Guys, I was wondering if you guys can click forward my show for me right now. It doesn't look like it's clicking forward. Thanks. Recent wind gusts, 51 miles per hour, 43 in Melbourne, 36 in Daytona Beach. We are expecting these winds to continue to ramp up as we take a look at Futurecast. As we go into tonight, look at the 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts there in Ocala, 50 in Orlando, 50 in Bithlo, and 50 in St. Cloud. By the time we get into after midnight to 1 a.m., still looking at wind gusts around 40 to 50 miles per hour, so tropical storm strength winds. By the time we wake up and get out the door for daybreak tomorrow, winds will be breezy, but no longer tropical storm strength winds. Tony referenced to flooding. I'll talk more about the concerns for that, which areas will see the highest rain amounts coming up in a few minutes.